What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Glendale. Had to be in the area, so figured I'd look around for you. Crowded as hell. I think this is only the second time I've ever parked. Years and years coming. Second time I've had to park upstairs. Do got the Shoe Palace. I'm not even gonna start with them. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. All right, let's go check out a bunch of the shops. Maybe stop by Shoe Palace at the end. Talked about it. Not worth going to the stores that are not legit. All right, check out this Champs right here. All kinds of J's, man. Then the MB01s. I don't think I ever saw these black ones. Well, do got a pair of these all black. The white trim, I guess. Seen these plenty of spots. Also seen the MB2s. 120 for the old ones. 125. Okay, so this is one of the later entries because it's 125. They were all 120, and then now they're 130 now, right? Oh, 135 now. And these are moving on down because probably get one of those eventually. They're all going down, dude. I even show the green beans when I showed all the Jordans. Oh my goodness, crazy how many retros they got. And resale really affected sales that much, huh? Yeah, the economy's definitely going down. Yep. One of the few spots with these, I haven't been able to find these anywhere. I just bought these on the Chic website. I think I bought the grade school ones for what? $8, $7 something? I had to pay $10 for shipping, so came out to like 11 bucks a piece. Hella cheap. But these are sold out almost everywhere. I'm gonna be honest, I have been wearing mine because it's been cold at night, so I have been wearing mine. These do keep your feet warm as hell. I got mine for like 11 bucks or something. Finally seen these on sale. What's the price? Oh my goodness, $80. Remember, you can use your survey coupons. I don't know why I can't talk. Make sure you use your survey coupons if you have one of these. $80. Holy crap. Man, I have a couple of these. I got the Niner colorway, and then I have one of the OG colorways. Also seen these on sale, which is fire. Wow. All right, they got some stuff, but nothing too crazy, nothing too interesting. All right, let's go check out some more spots. Did walk across the way to the Nike right here at the Americana. See what they got. This is a retail shop. Let's see what they got. My favorite thing about this store, all the returns. These are the returns for today. This one is hella small. But yeah, these ain't even released yet. Just exclusive access. Ooh, I didn't know it's that soft. Okay. This is, I think it's like a kids. Well, obviously it's a kid. Is it a preschool? Is it, I don't know, grade school? Small grade school it looks like. Got some twos. I forgot who they did the collab with on this one. Okay. 218? I don't know, but yeah, they got these. These are a smaller size. You got some 4s here. Size 5 women's, 5.5 women's. Got these things right here. Some of the women's. The Billie Eilish right here. What size? These are Billie Eilish size 11s. Got some of the women's. This is size 11. This is a women's, right? Women's release. Size 11. And that's pretty much about it, dude. In the men's section, dude, got these mids right here. Going for $120. Oh, it's a women's. I don't know why it's in the men's section. Did they? Oh, they changed it. The right side is the women's section now. Ooh, I'm all confused. We got these Air Force One highs right here. Okay. Men's section on the left. Someone messed up. Those shoes aren't supposed to be like that. What the hell? Someone messed it up. One of the kids probably. But yeah, do got these right here. LeBrons. Okay. Also got these people. I've heard from a few guys looking for these. These are size 10 right here. Okay. I think I'm gonna make a YouTube short. I'll make a YouTube short showing these. All right, let's head out. Let's go check out some other spots. Been going to most of the outlets. I forgot how much walking these mall vlogs take. Oh my god, this is the Americana Super bougie mall, outdoor mall area. All right, had to make the walk all the way back to the Glendale Galleria because that's where all the sneaker shops are. All right, let's go. Do got a couple more stops. Foot Locker right here. We got the cheapest Diodors I've ever seen in my life. $15. It is full canvas, but $15 goes from $110 all the way to $15, $95 off. Holy crap! Is it pretty clean for all white? If you like all white, these ain't bad. $15, $15. Oh my goodness. These are like sold out everywhere. Like here, they're not even on sale. Like what the hell? Man, that's crazy. 55 for those, or 55 or 60, one of them. I did forget to show what's on feet. Undefeated Dunks. I think like take 5 or something. There's 5 different materials or something like that. And then wearing jeans and a t-shirt because I am working, so I need to go back to work in a few. But I'm always trying to figure out how to get you guys additional videos, so that's kind of why I had to stop by here. All right, do got these on sale. We've seen these on sale a bunch of times. These are 10.5. Man, these fit true to size. When I did try them, I did try 10.5 and it fit just fine. Damn, even the Pegasus 39's on sale now. Holy guacamole, these haven't been out too long. And of course, I do have to check out the J's for you guys. Got a few, nothing too crazy. Are starting to see the LeBrons more readily available. I don't even know the name of this colorway. It's like, wow, it's like a knit material. I just realized that, like a woven knit material. That's interesting. They would use that for basketball. Maybe it's synthetic nylon. Yeah, that's probably it. That's not $200 for those. NMD V3s already on sale. I didn't even know they're on the V3s. Got like some rubber on the outside of the midsole right there. Okay. And they're all on sale. Right there it says at least 50% recycled material. Okay, that's good to see. All right. The V1's on sale as well. And these are definitely on my radar still. I don't know why I like these. Maybe it's a suede, I don't know. But I definitely need to get one of these for sure. Yep. Do got these. I've never seen these before. Some slides, but made out of superstars. $100 for those. They're mules. Yeah, mules are kind of like the huge slides, pretty much. Huge slides. Okay, they're here. $100, man. Definitely finding some interesting pieces today. 5.740s. These are number what? $100. Those are on sale. We've been seeing a bunch of the 5.74s on sale as well. And the 327s, they're okay. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of these. But they're on sale. I have been keeping an eye on this apparel on sale. Got a bunch of the all city shirts. Like the color's just a little weird. $4, so 70% off. That's what, $12. Jerseys, they got these baseball jerseys, 85, 70% off. Color, and then they got like that rainbow flag right there. I think that's probably what most guys aren't digging. And all city jacket, 85. Yeah, I got plenty of all city merch on sale. Oh, I forgot to show these Chinatown Market hoodies. Now they just are the market. And what sizes? I don't know. I see smalls. Oh, okay, I see some bigger sizes here too. These are some XLs and stuff. So they got a few different sizes. All right, let's go check out. I think we got one more shop. Got to go back to work in a little bit. All right, we got one last shop. Do got this JD Sports right here. Always got to check the front. No, nothing out front. So that leaves the walls. Let's check the walls. Well, we are starting to see the LeBrons at different places. The bread colorway right here. Okay, they're here. 200. Okay. And we've been seeing these left and right. They got multiple sizes. So they got multiple sizes out here. Also got the mids right there. They're showing they got multiple sizes on all these. Got some 12s, 11 low IEs, some 5s. Seen a ton of colorways of the Air Force Ones lately. I like this two-tone up top, gum bottom. You really can't go wrong with the gum bottom. And then it is crazy to see all white Air Forces, man. You'd never find those out here. in LA. It's like that on the East Coast too. Got one of the luxe ones right here, kind of like the boot, like a boot, like a nubuck. Is that a nubuck? I don't know. Synthetic leather on the outside right here. Okay, these are going for $140. And got these suede ones right here. Suede's rough as hell though, man. $130. The ZX 750s. I kind of do like the silhouette. 100 down to 70. Okay. Then got these. I don't know. I'm not into these. I don't even know what the hell they are. The retro fees. Mystiques. Which is interesting because I like these retro fees, the E5s. So they got different models of those, I guess. Those are going for 70. That's not bad. Got the 4Ds right here. Remember they pushed the hell out of the 4Ds. They came out at $400. Now they're down to 200. I just want to know how you clean these when stuff gets inside there. Like, I don't know. But yeah, they're down to $200. Definitely got an interesting look. People have been telling me they're pretty freaking comfy. Oh, it's gotten a lot better because the original 4Ds, like, they were super, super tough, and now they've, wow, that's a lot more spongy. Okay. Cushion looks like it's gotten a lot better. That's good to know. And they always have a ton of Air Max 97s. I swear they've been coming out with a ton of these lately. All going for what, $175 now. There's colorway right there. And then JD always has like some exclusive colorways. So yeah, this is the exclusive colorway, I guess. Okay. They even got them with the Air Max 90s right here. Got that little blue hit. That's their exclusive color right there. $130 for those. All right, I think that's about it. Shorter vlog, but gotta go. Time to go. All right, guys, that was the Glendale Galleria. That was earlier this week, and I did want to provide an update regarding a little situation. The Kyrie situation. I'm not going to get too much into the politics, but obviously he's cut ties with Nike, and I've been hearing from quite a few of you guys. Tuesday and Wednesday, the Kyrie 8s or the Kyrie Infinities all went on sale. And Foot Locker, I think Foot Locker and Champs were selling them all for $60. $60. You can also use your survey coupon, so make sure you throw that on. You can get Kyrie's for $60 freaking after tax. That's crazy. Actually, it'd be less than $60. It'd be like $55, $56. You can get some Kyrie's for that price. I have not had a chance to go out. I've been busy with work, so I have not had a chance to go out there. When sales like that start, you have to pounce. You really, really have to go in there. You have to have a sense of urgency because people are going to be scooping these up, man. People are going to be scooping them up. I'm going to have to head out tomorrow, or when you guys see this video, I might have to go out because I'm going to have to see what's up, man, because $60 is way too cheap, or $50 after the survey coupon, way too cheap. $50, $55, $56 after tax. That's just way too cheap. So I'm gonna have to check it out. I don't know exactly how all the other stores are handling it. It seems like Nike's just kind of telling everybody, hey, get rid of these sneakers, we don't want them. So that's usually time to come up, man. Usually time to come up. I'm gonna try to hit up a couple stores tomorrow, and then we're gonna be out this weekend, man. Gonna be out, gonna be doing our thing, and we'll see what happens. I still have a couple of Nike gift cards that I still have not been able to use, so I'm still looking to use that, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, thank you so much for making it to the end. Trying to get these secondary videos out. I still have the Kobe's that I want to show you guys, the crazy ones, but yeah, I got plenty coming, you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with the channel. Thank you so much for supporting this little channel. Definitely appreciate it. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Make sure you press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. And yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.